Vietnam is no longer just a manufacturing base. It is building the most ambitious aviation gateway in Southeast Asia, a $16 billion bet for trade. This massive project is designed to compete directly with global hubs like Changi and Suvarnabhumi, shifting the center of gravity for international air travel routes. Spanning 5,000 hectares, this site is 4 times the size of Changi Airport, representing a scale of ambition rarely seen in modern civil engineering projects. To visualize the scale, imagine this entire airport footprint covering the island of Manhattan or the heart of London. It is a city built for the sky. This is Vietnam's statement to the world, a colossal infrastructure investment meant to secure its position as a primary logistical engine for the next century. The strategic vision behind Long Thanh is simple: create a world-class facility that can handle the largest aircraft and the most demanding global cargo schedules. With billions of dollars at stake, the nation is committed to this gamble, transforming a quiet rural district into the busiest intersection in Asian airspace. Major airlines are already watching, as the capacity of this hub will eventually reach 100 million passengers per year, rivaling the world's biggest airports. This isn't just about tourism, it is a master plan to integrate Vietnam into the high-tech global supply chain, attracting multinational corporations and new investments. By becoming a logistics powerhouse, Vietnam aims to reduce shipping costs and times, making it the most attractive destination for electronics and high-value manufacturing. The connectivity offered here will bridge the gap between East and West, providing a seamless transition for goods and people moving across the Pacific and beyond. Time is of the essence, and the pressure is on to meet the 2026 deadline for the first phase of this monumental architectural and engineering feat. Thousands of workers and hundreds of engineers are working around the clock, battling the elements to ensure the foundation of Vietnam's future is laid perfectly. The geopolitical shift is palpable. As trade routes evolve, Long Thanh is positioned to be the new anchor of stability and growth in the Pacific region. Welcome to the future of Asian aviation. This is the story of how Vietnam is building its way to the top of the global stage. But before the first plane can land, a war must be won against the Earth itself. This is the phase of impossible logistics and dust. Engineers must move 115 million cubic meters of Earth. That is enough soil to build 45 Great Pyramids of Giza across this site. The red basalt soil of Dong Nai is notorious. In the dry season, it turns into a fine powder that covers everything for miles in every direction. This isn't just a nuisance. The dust is a mechanical killer, clogging air filters and grinding down the expensive moving parts of heavy machinery every hour. To fight back, a fleet of specialized water trucks patrols the site constantly, but in the heat of the Vietnamese sun, the moisture evaporates in minutes. The leveling process is a mechanical symphony. Engineers are quite literally moving mountains to create a perfectly flat surface for the runways and terminals. Over 2,000 pieces of heavy equipment operate 24 hours a day, guided by satellite GPS to ensure every centimeter of ground is leveled correctly. Precision is key. Even a small error in the earthwork phase could lead to structural failures later when the weight of the terminal is added. When the monsoon season arrives, the dust war turns into a mud battle. The site becomes a treacherous swamp that threatens to halt all progress. But the work does not stop. Engineers have developed advanced drainage systems to channel the rainwater away and keep the massive project moving forward regardless. The entire site is a living laboratory of geotechnical engineering where the soil is tested and reinforced to withstand the pressure of massive airliners. Vibratory rollers pack the earth down with immense force, creating a foundation as solid as rock, capable of supporting millions of tons of concrete. Looking across the 5,000-hectare site, the scale of human intervention is staggering. We have reshaped the face of the earth for this airport. The logistics of moving this much material requires a masterclass in management, ensuring that thousands of truck trips occur without a single collision. Every piece of equipment is pushed to its absolute limit, requiring a dedicated army of mechanics to keep the engines running in these harsh conditions. The fuel consumption alone is staggering, as the project consumes millions of liters of diesel every month to power this mechanical invasion of the soil. As the sun sets, the dust glows like fire. The work continues under massive floodlights, turning the site into a city of machines that never sleeps. From above, it looks like a dance of light and shadow, a testament to the human will to build something legendary against all physical odds. With the Earth finally tamed, the stage is set for the most beautiful part of the project, the rise of the Lotus Terminal structure. The heart of Long Thanh is the passenger terminal, a stunning architectural tribute to the lotus, Vietnam's national flower rendered in steel and glass. This isn't just art, it is a masterpiece of precision engineering. Every steel joint is calculated to withstand typhoons and the weight of massive glass panels. The roof spans hundreds of meters without traditional support columns, creating a vast, open interior space that feels like a cathedral of modern travel. Each pedal is a unique piece of high-tensile steel, manufactured with millimeter precision and transported to the site for a complex assembly process. Inside, the design is focused on the passenger experience. AI-driven simulations were used to ensure that moving 100 million people would be effortless. Wait times are eliminated by state-of-the-art biometric systems. Face recognition and seamless digital check-ins will make paper passports a thing of the past here. Beneath the floors lies a massive mechanical nervous system. The baggage handling system is one of the fastest in the world, using AI to sort. A dedicated data center on-site manages everything from flight schedules to energy consumption, making Long Thanh one of the smartest airports ever built. The terminal environment is designed to be calm and intuitive, reducing the stress of international travel through smart design and integrated technology. Sustainability is built into the glass. Special coatings reflect heat while letting in natural light, significantly reducing the energy needed for cooling the interior. Quality control is absolute. Every single bolt and weld in the terminal is documented and tested to meet the highest international safety standards. Advanced climate control systems maintain a perfect temperature throughout the vast space, even during the peak of Vietnam's intense tropical summer heat. The green airport concept brings nature inside. Indoor gardens and water features provide a peaceful oasis for travelers waiting for their connecting flights. Walking through this hall, you feel the scale of Vietnam's ambition. It is a space designed to impress and welcome the world with open arms. From here, you can reach any major city on the globe. Long Thanh will serve as the primary gateway connecting Vietnam to every corner of Earth. The complexity of the electrical and plumbing systems is equivalent to a small city, all hidden behind the beautiful aesthetic of the Lotus design. Viewed from above, the terminal looks like a giant flower blooming in the middle of the jungle, a symbol of growth and prosperity for the nation. The terminal will also be a world-class shopping and dining destination, featuring both international luxury brands and the best of Vietnamese culture and cuisine. Integrated transport is key. High-speed rail and metro lines connect directly to the terminal, making the journey from Ho Chi Minh City fast and easy. Dozens of boarding bridges stand ready to receive the world's largest aircraft, from the Airbus A380 to the newest fuel-efficient long-haul jets. The tower is the brain of the airport, equipped with the latest radar and communication technology to manage the heavy traffic of a global hub. Safety and efficiency are the top priorities here, as controllers guide planes through one of the busiest airspaces in the entire world. But the terminal is only half the story. The foundation of any great airport is the ground where the giants of the sky land. This is the CAT-3 runway, a 4,000-meter strip of reinforced concrete designed to host the heaviest and most advanced aircraft in existence today. The engineering below the surface is incredible. 5 specialized layers of material work together to absorb the massive impact of a 600-ton aircraft landing. The concrete used here is a special high-performance mix designed to last for decades without cracking under the extreme stress of constant takeoffs. Long Thanh is built for the giants. Its runways are wide enough and strong enough to accommodate the double-decker A380 and the massive Boeing 747-8. The Instrument Landing System, or CAT-3, allows pilots to land in almost zero visibility, ensuring the airport stays operational during heavy fog or storms. This precision technology is what sets Long Thanh apart, providing the reliability that major international airlines demand for their primary regional hubs. Every landing is a test of engineering. The runway surface must be perfectly level, with a tolerance of less than a few millimeters over kilometers. Thousands of high-intensity LED lights guide the way, part of an intelligent lighting system that can be adjusted based on weather conditions and traffic. The taxiway layout is optimized to minimize ground movement time, saving airlines fuel and ensuring that planes can depart as quickly as possible after boarding. Every detail matters. These lights must withstand the direct weight of an airplane tire and the extreme heat of jet engine exhaust without failing. The versatility of the airfield means it can handle everything from commercial passenger flights to the heaviest military and cargo transport planes in the world. In its final configuration, the airport will feature 4 parallel runways, allowing for simultaneous takeoffs and landings to handle the massive projected flight volume. A sophisticated drainage network ensures the runways stay dry even during Vietnam's heaviest rainstorms, preventing hydroplaning and maintaining the highest safety levels. The surface is engineered for friction. These grooves are a critical safety feature, helping to bleed off speed and keep the aircraft stable during landing. Emergency services are also world-class, with high-speed fire stations located strategically around the airfield to respond to any incident within seconds. As the concrete cures and the lights are tested, the airfield of Long Thanh prepares for a century of service to the global community. We are not just building for today's planes, we are building for the next generation of aviation technology that will define the 21st century. The power of these machines is matched only by the strength of the ground they land on. This is where engineering meets the sky. The final markings are a rite of passage, transforming a construction site into an official international airport recognized by pilots around the globe. Every element of the airfield has been scrutinized by international aviation authorities to ensure complete compliance with the strictest safety protocols on Earth. A hidden network of fuel pipes eliminates the need for tanker trucks on the ramp, increasing safety and speeding up the turnaround time for planes. The scale is difficult to grasp until you see it for yourself. This is an immense landscape of concrete, steel, and high-tech ambition. But the airport is just the heart of a much larger body. Around it, an entire ecosystem of industry and trade is coming to life. Long Thanh is the crown jewel of a massive logistics hub, connected directly to the deep-water ports of Khai Mep and the region's industrial heartlands. A network of new highways and bridges is being built to ensure that goods can move from factory to flight in record-breaking time. Global giants like Apple, Samsung, and Intel are expanding their footprint here, relying on this airport to reach their customers in North America and Europe. This is more than an airport. It is an airport city, a hub for business, exhibitions, and luxury living that will drive the local economy. By linking air, sea, and land transport, Vietnam is creating a multimodal logistics powerhouse that can compete with any trade hub in the world. The dedicated cargo terminal will handle millions of tons of goods, from high-tech electronics to Vietnam's famous agricultural exports, keeping them fresh and fast-moving. Imagine a product manufactured in the morning and flying across the Pacific by evening. Long Thanh makes this 24-hour global supply chain a reality. Data is the new oil. The integrated logistics systems here provide total transparency and efficiency for companies moving goods through the Vietnamese gateway. Customs and clearance processes are being modernized and digitized to ensure that the airport remains a friction-free environment for international commerce. The Long Thanh effect is already transforming the landscape as thousands of new jobs are created in the surrounding provinces to support the aviation boom. This project is the missing link that will power Vietnam's transition from a labor-intensive economy to a high-tech, service-oriented global leader. The efficiency of these operations will save billions for global corporations, making Vietnam the most logical choice for their regional manufacturing bases. The seamless flow of goods from air to road is a testament to the master planning that has gone into every aspect of this project. Vietnam is positioning itself at the very heart of the world's most dynamic economic region, with Long Thanh as its beating industrial heart. From above, the transformation is clear. This was once farmland. Now it is the engine of a nation's future, ready to change the world. The legacy of Long Thanh will be measured in decades. It is expected to contribute up to 5% of Vietnam's total GDP upon completion. What we see today is only the beginning. The master plan includes multiple phases that will see the airport grow alongside the nation's rising influence. While many global airports are struggling with aging infrastructure, Long Thanh starts with a clean slate, incorporating the most advanced technologies from day one. This project is for the next generation. It represents a promise that Vietnam will be a leader, not a follower, in the global economy. From the challenges of the past to the triumphs of the present, this airport is a symbol of the incredible resilience and ambition of the people. It is a bridge between generations, a project that honors the past while building a bold and sophisticated future for all Vietnamese citizens. Long Thanh is built to last a century. It is a long-term investment in the prosperity and connectivity of the entire Southeast Asian region. This is more than an airport. It is Vietnam's statement to the world. It says that the future is being built right here, right now. Future-proofing was a core part of the design. The airport can adapt to new fuels, larger planes, and changing travel patterns for many decades. By creating this hub, Vietnam ensures it will always be at the center of the world's most important conversation, the future of trade. The collaboration of thousands of minds from around the world has resulted in this miracle of modern engineering and logistical coordination. As the final lights are tested and the staff takes their positions, the world prepares to witness the birth of a new aviation giant. The moment has arrived. The engines roar to life as the first flight prepares to make history on the Long Thanh runway. A new era of aviation is taking flight. Long Thanh International is officially open, connecting Vietnam to the world like never before. This is the culmination of years of hard work, billions of dollars, and a vision that never wavered in the face of immense challenges. The countdown to 2026 is on. Witness the transformation of a nation and the rise of Asia's next grand terminal for global travel. Don't miss the journey. Subscribe now to see how we build the future, one mega project at a time, across the changing face of Asia. Long Thanh International. The gateway to the future is open. Join us as we take flight into a new chapter of human achievement.